In today's review, the focus is on the MEEGEEM self-cleaning cat litter box, an 85-liter extra-large automatic cat litter box that has been a game-changer for households with feline friends. This review will delve into the features and benefits of this innovative product. One of the standout features of the MEEGEEM litter box is its self-cleaning capability. The chore of daily scooping is a common grievance among cat owners, and this litter box addresses that issue head-on. It automatically cleans after each use, allowing cat owners to enjoy more time with their pets and less time dealing with their waste. The size of the litter box is particularly noteworthy. With an 85-liter capacity, it is well suited for households with multiple cats. It provides ample space for cats of all sizes to use comfortably, which also translates to less frequent emptying for the owner. Odor control is a critical aspect of any litter box, and the MEEGEEM model excels in this area with its odor removal design. It effectively keeps unpleasant smells at bay, ensuring a fresh home environment. The litter box is equipped with smart features that enhance its functionality and safety. Sensors detect when a cat enters and exits, ensuring the cleaning cycle starts only when it's safe. The anti-pinch design further protects the cat from any potential harm during the cleaning process, highlighting the manufacturer's commitment to the safety and comfort of pets. The MEEGEEM self-cleaning cat litter box has proven to be an exceptional product, surpassing expectations in terms of size, ease of cleaning, and smart design. The self-cleaning feature in particular is a game-changer, offering convenience and ensuring a clean, odor-free home. For those seeking a hassle-free solution to cat litter management, this litter box comes highly recommended. It's not only an investment in convenience, but also in the well-being of cats. Thanks for watching. Check in the description for the latest price. See you next time.